Here's a really fun dinner idea for you using chicken thighs and plain bao buns. These can be bought at all Asian supermarkets now. It's a fantastic little bun to fill up with all different types of things. Classically, you do this with some slow-cooked pork or duck, but chicken works a treat too, and the whole family's going to love it. First up, we need to cook our chicken thighs. I've got 4 chicken thighs. These chicken thighs don't have the bone in it, but the skin is on it. I think that's crucial because in the soft buns, you want to have crispy chicken crackling. So what I'll do is just take the plastic off, drizzle some extra virgin olive oil over the chicken, and a generous pinch of salt. We'll just make sure it's completely coated. I love to use chicken thighs because it's forgiving. It won't dry out in the pan. And we're going to go into the pan skin side down. I want this on a medium heat, not too hot, because I want to render away some of that fat. This is going to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on that side. I'll turn it over and then cook it for a further 4 to 5 minutes. And that's when I'll add my bao buns to the steamer basket to steam. Now the chicken has come out of the pan, I've allowed it to rest, and look how crispy the top is. And now to serve these, well, we'll take out one of our baos. Ooh, perfectly soft. And we'll pop it on a plate. And I'm just going to show you one. You want to open it when it's still piping hot. A generous spoonful of plum sauce. A few cucumber slices. And it's traditional to have some spring onions in there too, so a few spring onions. And then our yummy chicken, cut it just into thin strips. Oh, how good's that sound of that crispy skin? And we'll put 2 slices inside, and no one waits for a bao bun when they're piping hot like this. Crispy skin chicken, lots of sauce. That is a flavour bomb right there. Try it with chicken, a little bit different, but it works. Yummo.